This is a video of my Marine Corps t-shirt that I got when I was in the Corps in Parris, South Carolina, 1980 to 81. And these are some of the things that people wrote on my shirt. I was the oldest in the group. I carried the guide on. I carried the flag. Let's see if I can get this in. Okay. And I sang cadence, and you will be able to see that in a minute. Some of them wrote about it. I think it's this one. Let me see. To the lady with the golden voice, God bless, Judy Malone, M-A-L-O-N-E. And the shirt's it's getting real dark. That's why I have to do the video. And there's more here. After I wrote it, we were exercising, and this one said, I washed the pits or something. Harley? I think it's Harlan. H-A-A-R-L-A-N. Harlan. And then there's more on the bottom. Hold on. Okay, there wasn't any more on the bottom, but there's more on the front. To a fantastic private and also a great singer. Love ya. From a prejudiced private, April Adams. That was a little private thing we had going on there. Started out kind of bad, but then I had to smooth things out after a while, you know. But Scotty, they call me Scotty. I love you, and you're better than a sister. Private Johnson, P.S. Maybe my mother will adopt you. What happened was I had a rough life, and I really didn't have what you call family, per se, after my second mother died when I was 8 years old. And nobody came down to my graduation in the Marine Corps. I had no visitors. I got no letter. Everybody got letters. I didn't get any letters or anything. And people, they wanted to adopt me, even though I was older than them. I was like 21. In December, I had turned 21. I was older than all of them. They were like 18, 19 years old. This one, good luck and God bless. Private Paula Bromley. And hoorah to my best friend in boot camp. Always remember and never forget, you're the best of the best. Private Susan Simpler. And she was the bomb. She was sweet. She was a sweet girl. She was really pretty too. There's a couple of them that were they could have been models. And this one, Private, I think it was Lamora. Yeah, Lamora. And she wrote, you are the songbird of 20A. I want a free copy of your first album. I loved calling cadence. And I think there's some on the bottom of this. Let me try the bottom. Here, let me see if there's some down here. Yeah, there's some down. Let me hold this. I'll put it on hold and I'll be back. Okay, Private Hargrave, I think. As I'm saying these names, I'm seeing their faces. And I'm 67. This was like when I was 21, 40 something years ago. Keep the faith. You're of the best. USMC WM, Women Marines. This one too, the best friend a person can have. God bless you always. Love you. Private Jacqueline Thompson. She was the bomb. I loved her. Jackie Thompson, I have to tell you real quick. I don't care about the time of this video. It's memories. Jackie Thompson was a cute, small-built black woman. I don't know where she was from, but she was beautiful. And she had long, beautiful, thick, real hair. And they tried, the gunnies, sergeants and stuff tried to get her to cut her hair, and she said, I'm not cutting my hair. She let them know, I'm not going to cut my hair. Nobody else had to. They just wanted her. Honestly, I think one of the gunny sergeants kind of didn't like her or something. She was sharp. This girl, and if I'm right, I might not be right. If I'm right, I looked some of these names up, and I think she lives in McKeesport, which was very close to where I live. Private Bryce was sharp. She was another one. She looked like she should have been a model, and she wrote, keep on singing. Private Bryce was cute. She was like she was a black girl, and very, like, peaceful. She had a peaceful attitude about her. She was sweet. Private Englert, to a very special private, she wrote. This one was Private Mustaki. Good luck in the future. And I wrote my Marine Corps buddies. I don't know why the shirt throughout the years is getting so dark, and I don't want to, if I bleach it, I'll lose the name. So I'm just going to have to let it get dark, I presume. I wrote Bootcamp buddies on it of Platoon 20A. I think there's one more, Private Mary. Oh, I don't think, Private Macy. Yeah, Private Macy. And she wrote something in Spanish, I think, or whatever. Oh, Private Macy has arrived. Hoorah. 2 January 82. Okay, so I don't know why it's 82, because I went in 80, and we did 3 months of boot camp, and I got out in 81. I just noticed that. And then I transferred up to North Carolina, Camp Lejeune, North Carolina, where they poisoned us with that poison water, and I didn't get anything for it because you're supposed to have cancer. You know, I don't know why I just noticed that. 8 Jan 82, unless you meant to write 81, I'm not sure. But anywho, this is my Marine Corps shirt that is a odd color. I mean, it almost looks like it was light brown at one time, and it wasn't. This shirt was white, guys. But anyhow, thanks for watching. God is good, and pray for the Corps. Have a beautiful day.